Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is about Chobe River Cruise. This is the part 2 of our Chobe Safari. It's a full day optional tour through Gate 1. After lunch at Cresta Moana Safari Resort and Spa, we went down towards the river and there is the ferry, the boat that we're gonna embark today for our Chobe Safari. We're going on a water safari. This is part of the Chobe Safari tour. The full day. So the afternoon you get on the boat. So I think you can see some elephant because that's what we saw this morning coming back in here for lunch. So Chobe River is only 454 miles long and a lot smaller than the Zambezi River. It also is a tributary of the Zambezi River, and it is known for game watching. Right now we are on the left is Botswana, and on the right I believe is Zambia. Straight ahead is where we go into Chobe National Park. And as we go into Chobe, then we're gonna have Botswana on the left and Namibia on the right. This river is very important feature of Chobe National Park. This river actually is the main watering hole for its wildlife. Now, there are 4 countries that share a border with Chobe River, namely Namibia, Botswana, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So, yeah, they impala everywhere. Babies, adult, man. Look, whoop, a hippo convention.
Never have enough hippo.
Yeah, never had enough hippo.
Can I quote you on that as if
Don't drop it.
try to become hippo chow?
It's a Cape buffalo. It's just grazing. And then next to it is a big crocodile. Ooh, yeah. It's huge. He said there's a water buck there. Maybe that one? I don't know. I'm hoping that's what a water buck is.
It's a water buck in Impala, one of the states. Water buck in Impala. Some of those are buffaloes.
This is all the same stuff we saw on the road up there.
Yeah, it is. This is just a close-up look. Is that an egret there? A white one? Monitor lizard. Oh, he's moving. You're alone. And they got egrets and some impalas. The Namibia side on the Chobe River, and I think those are just domesticated cows. Yeah, that looks like a houseboat. Yeah, I wonder what that is. One thing for sure here at Chobe River is we saw a lot of birds, so it'll be good for bird watching. But for some reason we just couldn't identify the birds, and I guess our guide would tell us, or some of them he probably didn't hear us we're asking, so it's kind of like a hit and miss, but it's good for bird watching. That's the end of our Chobe River cruise, huh?
I'll drink to that.
We drink to that. I mean, see more hippos, some more elephants, a lot of different birds that I cannot identify. There's an egret that I know, and some kind of orange bill. store. Yeah. So I think I'm hippoed out. Is there such a word? Hippoed out. There's so many.
Hippodrome.
Yeah, there's so many hippos. But yeah. So tomorrow's our last day of our 11-day tour with Gate 1. So we'll see. It's gonna be a long day. Our day starts at 5 o'clock in the morning, and then get to the airport for 11, I think, and check out at 11. So and then we're gonna do Victoria Falls in the morning. So
And go shopping.
and go shopping. So we'll see. So it's gonna be a long freaking day, and then the 25-hour flight home with the layover. So we shall see. Anyway, so I highly recommend this Chobe Safari. You know, it's a whole day affair, but it is worth it. Anyway, so if you all like this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy travels! Bye!